back, and today we are talking about circuits. So a circuit is basically something that allows electricity to flow, and it has an input and an output. The input is like a power source or something that can give us some energy, and the output is something that it does. So let's take a look. Now, what parts would we need to make a basic circuit? We need a power source, so we would need a battery, and then maybe we want to light a light bulb. So our output would be the light bulb. Now we need to connect those two things, right? So what do we do to connect them? What would we use? Wires. So you could possibly add a switch in there too. Let's take a look. So if we take a look, we can see a simple circuit arranged where it has the battery connected to the wires, connected to the light bulb, and then all the way around. So a circuit is something that is complete, that allows the electricity to flow all the way through and make something happen, such as lighting a light bulb. So here I have an energy ball. An energy ball is basically like our circuit, but it's a little bit simpler. So I have a ball. Inside of here is the battery and the light, and actually a little speaker to make some sound. So if I connect these two metal pieces I have here and complete the circuit, it's actually going to light up and make the noise. So what else can we use to complete a circuit? Let's see. So I have a piece of foil here with me. Now, do we think the foil is going to complete the circuit and allow electricity to flow? Yes or no? What do you think? Let's find out. So I'm going to touch each end with the foil. It works. So if something allows electricity to flow, we call that a conductor. Can you say that with me? Conductor. Exactly. So it is allowing the electricity to flow and is basically like another wire, essentially. So let's see what else I have. I have a piece of paper. Do we think our paper is going to allow electricity to flow, or it is not? What do we think? Let's find out. I'm going to connect both ends, complete the circuit. Didn't work. Okay, our paper is what we call an insulator. Can you say that with me? Insulator. So it does not allow electricity to flow. Now I wonder why that could be important. Why wouldn't we want electricity to flow through something? Exactly. Think about a wire. So when you go to plug something in, that is allowing electricity to flow, right? You're plugging it into the wall or an outlet. So the electricity is flowing through the wire, but around that wire, you would have something called an insulator. So that rubber or something around that wire actually is protecting you, because then you would be exposed to the electricity flowing through the wire. So insulators and conductors are equally important. So now I have a pair of scissors. So we have two ends here, so I'm going to try both ends. If I try the metal end, what do you think is going to happen? It's completing the circuit. The metal ends are touching each other, so it is traveling through the metal. Now, what about if I try the plastic end? So the metal part is what we call a conductor, and the plastic part is called the insulator. Very good. Now I have a balloon. What's it going to do? Allow electricity to flow or not? What do you think? Let's try it. Again, I'm going to connect both ends. It is an insulator. It's not allowing electricity to flow. Now I also have some coins. What do we think? Are the coins going to allow electricity to flow? Yes or no? Let's try. It's working. So our coins are made of metals, and they're also conductors. So that's all I have for you about circuits today, where we talked about conductors and insulators. If you have time, you should try to build a circuit on your own with some help and try out some different objects and see if they are conductors or insulators. You can also just take a look around and see what other different objects are conductors or insulators for everyday use, such as what else? What's metal that we use to cook with? Pots and pans. So those are good conductors because they're also allowing heat to flow through. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.